promise that you'll bring him home to me." "I promise," I said. "I promise I'll bring him home to you." John Bartle and Daniel Murphy became friends instantly. Barely old enough to take care of themselves, but old enough to fight in war. I conceived myself for what I was, barely a man, not a man. Life was in me, but it splashed as if the bottom of a nearly empty bowl. The story of two young soldiers fighting for their country, making promises to always watch out for each other, and the story of the boys' everlasting friendship, even after tragedy strikes. Enter a world where realities are snapped into place and the worst part of war is coming home, where you relive the tragedies over and over again and dwell on everything you failed to do and all the promises you have broken. I feel like I'm being eaten from the inside out, and I can't tell anyone what's going on because everyone is so grateful to me all the time, and I'll feel like I'm ungrateful or something. Or like I'll give away that I don't deserve anyone's gratitude and that really they should hate me for what I've done, but everyone loves me for it, and it's driving me crazy.